Hello Petting family, Alice here. Are you tired of hearing how to make money online but don't know where to start? What if I told you that you can actually make up to $20 a day with AI tool on Fiverr without any technical skill or whatsoever? How cool is this? Sit back because I'm about to show you how you can turn AI tools into your personal money making machine. With all that being said, let's dive in. For those of us who do not know what Fiverr is a global freelance platform where you can get paid to render services. And here is the sweet part, you don't need any skill because I will show you how you can leverage your AI tool for free for you to use to actually deliver these services and earn real cash. You are not earning in your local currency but in dollar. How cool is this? In this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 powerful, profitable Fiverr gigs that you can actually do with free AI tools and earn money in return. The first gig is YouTube transcript writing with the help of ChatGPT. This particular gig is very high in demand. What will you do? You will use ChatGPT to write YouTube video scripts. There are many YouTubers who always run out of ideas on what topics to film a video or on what topic to record a video about. Okay, they come to Fiverr and look for YouTube transcript writer and tell them to help them write scripts, a detailed script for their videos. Now, how do you deliver? The client will give you the topic in which they want to make video about, okay? Once that topic is given to you, just go to ChatGPT and put in the topic exactly how the client has given you the topic. Let me take, for instance, the client give you how to make money online for stay-at-home mom, okay? You take the video topic to ChatGPT the way your client has given it to you, okay? So you can actually add some elements, make it ChatGPT to understand the kind of content you want it to give to you, okay? Because the more detailed your prompt is, the more accuracy or the more quality content ChatGPT is going to give to you, okay? Let me take, for instance, I've put in the topic already in ChatGPT. You can also tell ChatGPT that you need a YouTube video detail script for this topic, okay? Just let ChatGPT know what you are using that particular topic for it to be able to serve you better, okay? You can charge $5 to $15 for 1,000 words. The second gig you can actually do on Fiverr with the help of AI free tool is Instagram quotes design with Canva at ChatGPT. The demand for this gig is actually on the medium high, okay? What will you do? Design simple quote posts with Canva templates and get the quotes from ChatGPT. It's that simple and straightforward. How do you deliver? Your clients will give you the topic that you are going to make quotes about, okay? Let me assume that your client's topic is 20 motivational quotes for entrepreneurs. Just go to ChatGPT, just the way I explained earlier with the previous gig. Go to ChatGPT, put in the title just the way your client's giving to you. Add other elements for ChatGPT to understand what you really need that content for, okay? Let ChatGPT know that you are using this code for entrepreneurs and you are making it for Instagram posts. By putting those important elements, it's going to make ChatGPT to give you very good quotes that is going to wow your clients. All you need to do is to copy all the quotes, head over to canva.com, use a free Instagram post template, paste the quote one after the other, use stylish font, but make sure the stylish font is readable. Export and send it to your client. It's as simple as that. You can charge about $5 to $15 from 10 quotes and above. The third gig is AI generated voiceovers with 11 labs or TTS MP3. The demand for this kind of content is actually growing, right? Especially for faceless YouTube channels. How do you achieve this? It's actually very simple. It's just for you to convert scripts into AI generated voiceovers with free AI tools. It's as simple as that, okay? Now your client has given you the script. It's just for you to sign up a free account on 11 Labs or ttsmp3.com. I will advise that you should not subscribe yet. Just stick with the free account. Once the dollars start coming in, it's advisable for you to invest back into the business by subscribing to these AI tools. Once you sign up for a free account, paste the script into 11 Labs, right? Once you've pasted this, search for the voice that is going to narrate the script better. Is it a male voice or a female voice? Listen to a series of voices, then you can actually settle for one, okay? Once you settle for one, hit on generate and download it. That's all. It's just for you to send the downloaded voice over to your client. It's as simple as ABC. You can charge from $10 to $25 for 5 minutes voiceover, okay? So let me give you some pro tips that you can actually use to get your first client very, very fast. Tip number one, start with lower price in order for you to attract your first client, okay? Make sure your description, title, and bio has rich SEO keywords, okay? Keywords like AI powered, fast delivery, budget friendly to your description. Share your gigs on WhatsApp group, Facebook group, and even on Twitter. Here's how you can set up your Fiverr account step by step. Visit www.fiverr.com. Click on join and sign up with your email or Gmail. Choose a username and create a professional looking profile. Use a very clean and clear profile picture, okay? If you are not comfortable using your profile picture, you can use pfpmaker.com. That is it, Lucrative family. Now you know how you can actually make $20 a day leveraging on free AI tools and Fiverr. The best part is you do not need to have any skill or you don't need to be a techie before you can actually start this hustle. So there's no excuse for you not to start this hustle as soon as possible. If you find this video helpful, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content just like this. Still let me know down in the comment section the kind of content that you want me to be bringing your way, okay? I've made quite a number of videos on how you can make money online on this particular channel, all right? Recently, I begin to dive in on how you can actually make money with AI and you don't even need to show your face, all right? I made some couple of videos too on that. Just check them out and you will get equipped for you to start making money online, okay? Take care and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.